Question 6, Part A. The points A and B are plotted on the grid below. Here's A, here's B. Write down the coordinates of A and B. So coordinates are always written in brackets with a comma in between. X always goes first and then Y. So you can remember that in a couple of different ways. You could say X, Y, Z. Obviously X comes first because X comes first in the alphabet. Or you could say a cross, so because X is across, so across the corridor and up or down the stairs. So that would be across the corridor, so the x-axis goes left or right, and that would be first. So where across the axis is it? And up or down the stairs. So that would be the y-axis because the y goes up and down, and that would be the second one. So A is, where is it on the x-axis? It's at 3 here. And where is it on the y-axis? Here at 2. And point B is here. Where is it on the x-axis? It's at 1. And where is it on the y-axis? Here, it's at -4. So you get 1 mark for each of those correct coordinates. Part B. Point C is the midpoint of the line AB. So the midpoint is kind of like halfway. So the line AB, A is here, B is there. If I were to draw a line between A and B, so that's the line AB, I need to say where C is. Where is halfway in between A and B? Well, if I go across, it's going across 2 squares. So I need to go halfway across. Well, halfway across would be 1. Now the trick here is to just take your ruler once you've gone halfway across and go up to the line. And it meets the line here. That is point C. It will be exactly halfway. So it's halfway across, it's 1 across instead of 2 across, and it's actually halfway up. If I was to go up, I'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares up, while C is 1, 2, 3 squares up. So C is exactly halfway. And I need to write the coordinates of that. So that would be 2 on the x-axis and -1 on the y-axis. This is a 2-mark question, and the examiner will give 1 mark if you have put a dot on your grid where C should be and missed out writing the coordinates. So the full coordinates gives you 2 marks straight away, or if you've shown on the grid where C should be, that would give you 1 mark alone.